Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Woodworking Works, with me, Mr. John Hitchko, your number one guide to woodburning tips and tricks. For those new to my page, my name is John Hitchko. I'm a CNC designer at Woodport Doors and a student at Foss Valley Tech. I'm currently in the machine tool program and a part-time wood burning hobbyist with 1 year experience in wood burning and 2 years experience in art design and application. Nice to meet you, and welcome to my channel. Today you'll be learning how to make wood burn art and learn the basics for getting started. I'll be going over how to set up your wood burner tool and project area. Also, I'll be going over the different types of design techniques for designing your artwork and showing you the different types of transfer and methods associated with each style. Lastly, I'll be showing you how to properly handle your wood burner tool and showing you a technique I prefer when applying burn lines with your wood burner tool. So let's get started. First, let's look at three different types of wood transferring techniques. Three techniques we'll cover is the use of wood transfer paper, stencils, and drawing your own artwork. Note, when designing your first piece of art, it is advised to keep things simple until you are ready for more challenging pieces. Wood transfer paper. Wood transfer paper can be used for printing images onto paper and then applying that image onto a piece of wood material. A laser printer or photocopier is needed for the wood transfer paper. A clothes iron is also needed to apply the image to the material, as heat is needed to apply the image. Use a wood burner tool after the image is applied to the wood. Stencils. Use any stencil you want that can fit onto the material. Most stencils can be found through Google, Etsy, or Amazon, or you can even create your own. Trace the stencil outline, make bold and broad lines, then use your wood burner tool after the stencil is applied to the wood. Drawn. Drawn is the easiest and most rewarding of wood burning methods. Take a pencil and draw any idea that you have onto the wood, making bold and broad lines. Use the wood burner tool after the drawn is applied to the wood. Once you are satisfied with your design, gather your wood kit and move on to the next step. First, we need to have a proper work environment for creating your artwork. A well-lit area and a sturdy project table or desk would work. Next, we want to clear the work area and make sure there are no debris or flammable objects in the work area, ensuring all materials are out of the way. Next, place your wood material on the project table. Place it comfortably away from you and away from your burner tool setting station. Next, retrieve the setting station that comes with the kit. Place the setting station on your project table on the side you write with. Note, you want to make sure it's in a safe position and away from any flammable objects. Secure it to your work area. You can secure the setting station with either a piece of tape or a screw for a more secure hold. Next, set your wood burner tool on the setting station. Note, make sure the cord has enough slack and is free from any obstructions. Once you are satisfied with the position of the tool, plug into a working outlet and turn the switch to the on position. Give the wood burner tool a few minutes to heat up. Danger: wood burner tool generates a high amount of heat and can cause severe burns if not handled properly. Never leave the wood burner tool unattended when on. Fire may occur. Now that this is set up, let's move to the next step. Note, you have the option of wearing heat-resistant gloves, but they are not needed to complete the project, although highly recommended. To see if the wood burner is at optimal temperature, place wood burner tip on the back side of the project, making a wood burn line. Before moving on to the next step, make sure you applied your design to the wood material using one of the transferring techniques. Handling your wood burning tool. Grab your wood burner tool midway on the handle in the same manner you would hold a pen or pencil. You should feel little to no heat. If you feel High heat, adjust your hand position further down the tool away from the heating side of the tool. Once you are comfortable with the position of the tool placement, then it is time to start wood burning your design. Another option is the use of a headlamp. Using a headlamp helps to see the lines when the light source gets blocked from hand positioning. Once you are comfortable with the setup, then it is time to start wood burning your design. Burning your art into the material. Take your wood burner tool and choose your starting location. Next, place the wood burner tool tip directly on your starting location line. Maintain soft pressure and guide the tool tip along the line of your design. An easy technique to use is going from one side to the other, depending on your dominant hand. If you're right-handed, guide the tool along the lines from left to right. If you're left-handed, guide the tool along the lines from right to left. Note, this allows for a smooth, clean stroke to be applied to the material. Keep doing this until all drawn lines are covered from the wood burner tool. Note, you should see a wood burned trail produced from the tool on the line you just traced. When you have finished wood burning all your traced lines, it's a good note to go back and refine some of the lines that you made and add smaller details. Now that we have finished, let's review what we did. Make sure to turn the wood burning tool off and disconnect from the outlet. You want the wood burner tool to completely cool before storing. Today you learned the different types of designing and transferring methods. You also learned how to set up and handle your wood burner tool. After that, you applied what you learned and created your first wood burning art. The image on the right is actually my first wood burn art that I created. Congratulations, you just completed your first wood burning art piece. And if this is not your first time, I hope you learned something new today. If you like this tutorial, you can find more like these on all my platforms. Any questions can be answered there as well. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video and smash that follow button. See you on the next tutorial.